Hello, my name is Jenna Ballard and I am the founder of Unicorn University, and I'm also a friend of FitLifeTV. Today I'm here to talk about conscious contribution and what that actually means. So what does it mean to be in contribution and conscious of your giving? It means you giving the gifts that you've received and the gifts that you have to offer to the planet. Because when we give, we're actually in the practice of sharing. We're actually in the practice of giving. We're actually in the practice of teaching others how to be an example for every other person on this planet. Because you're either a giver or you're a taker. In the same way you can't be kind of pregnant, you can't be kind of a taker or kind of a giver, you're one or the other. So ask yourself, who do you want to be remembered as? When your time is up on this planet, do you want to be remembered as someone who is generous with their time, generous with their gifts, generous with their love, generous with their knowledge and their wisdom? There is so much that is available for you when you practice giving. You're actually going to realize that the getting is in the giving. When you give and give and give and give and give until you feel like maybe you don't have any more to give, but then you give some more, you're going to realize that you have an unlimited source of inspiration and incredible gifts to offer to the planet. So be in that practice. Be in the practice of knowing that you have so much to contribute and so much to give, because again, when you give, the universe rewards. What you give will come back to you tenfold. So know that when you share your love, you're actually being an example. You're being a teacher. You're being a leader. You're showing other people that actually the way to live, the best way to live, is to serve and to give. A life of service is the best life. And when you be in that practice and you be generous with your time, because our time is the most valuable thing we can give to anyone, I promise you that your container, your plate, all of it will stretch and expand and get so big that you're going to begin to feel you've got so much even more to give, creating spaciousness, creating more, being more abundant. So be in the practice of giving and know that what you have to give is actually your gift. It is what you're here to deliver to the world. The world needs your magic, the world needs your gifts, the world needs your knowledge and your wisdom, and you have so much to offer. Everything you've experienced in your life is a part of your message for the universe, a part of your message for the planet. So just know that when you give and you teach and you be the example, you're contributing to the betterment of this amazing place we call home, our planet Earth. I love you so much, I believe in you, and I want to see you shine. So just remember, my name is Jenna Ballard. I'm the founder of Unicorn University, and I'm a friend of FitLifeTV.